Thank you for tuning in to your daily operations weather brief for Friday, March 27th. Seeing another beautiful morning out there across the Delmarva and Wallops region under partly cloudy skies. We'll continue to see that this morning before starting to see clouds really increase, especially at the mid and upper level as we go into the afternoon, and then seeing chances of some showers as we go into tonight and tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, seeing a front over the area just north of the Delmarva. Really, just more of a wind shift than anything. Not going to be really impacting our weather too much, other than shifting our winds northwesterly briefly, and then we'll see them those winds shift more onshore as we go into tonight, and then southeasterly. And then we'll see some upper level energy actually riding along this front here. You can kind of starting to see it taking shape across Illinois in this picture here. That's going to move eastward and give us some showers as we go into late tonight and tomorrow morning. Maybe even a slight chance of a thunderstorm in the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. As of 8 a.m., seeing just a few clouds of 12,000 feet, few to 25,000 feet. Winds were from the west-southwest, around 5 to 7 knots. Temperature around 54 degrees with a relative humidity of 80%. Take a look at our satellite visible loop this morning. We did see more an abundance of cloudiness just before sunrise, but you could see as the sun has risen, we are seeing mostly sunny skies across much of Virginia and then the southern two-thirds of the Delmarva. We'll continue to see that for the next couple hours and starting to see some clouds thicken. We are seeing some lower clouds across northern portions that look like they're starting to drop down southward, so we'll start to see some of that as well. For today, going to be seeing a fairly warm day today. Temperatures running around 10 degrees above average, looking for a high of around 68 degrees. We are going to be seeing those winds shift northwesterly late this morning, 8 to 13 knots, then becoming somewhat variable in the mid-afternoon hours before they shift more onshore towards the late afternoon. As we go into tonight, those winds are going to shift southeasterly and then increasing after midnight to 8 to 13 knots and gusty, then 10 to 15 knots in the pre-dawn hours of Saturday. We are going to be seeing those chances of showers. We should see skies become overcast by the late afternoon or early evening today, and then seeing those just a slight chance of some isolated showers as early as around 8 p.m. or so, but then shower chances slowly increasing throughout the overnight hours, becoming likely after 4 a.m. Might even see a very slight chance of an embedded thunderstorm. Right now, it looks like chances are around 15%, as there's not a whole lot of agreement in the models, but definitely can't rule out seeing a thunderstorm sometime around sunrise tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, going to be seeing some lower clouds around 3,000 to 3,500 feet as we go into the late morning hours, and then slowly seeing those mid and upper level clouds increase as we go throughout the remainder of the day and into tonight. After 10 p.m., going to start to see those ceilings lower as well, becoming broken at 5,000 after around 10 p.m. or so, and then possibly seeing ceilings below 500 feet when we get those more moderate showers around 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. tomorrow. Still seeing tides 1/2 to 1 foot above normal across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Taking a look at our satellite, which is not cooperating right now, so we will skip our short-term weather model. Excuse me. This is a 10 a.m. We are going to be looking throughout the day here just to show you how these showers are going to be developing across the region. This model shows some showers, some returns around 4 p.m. or so. That looks fairly unlikely. We're not going to really see actual chances of showers until, like I said, as early as 8 p.m., which is this time frame here, and then going throughout the remainder of the evening, we'll see those shower chances slowly start to increase, and then also seeing some chances of thunderstorms off to the west, and that will continue to migrate eastward as we go into the pre-dawn hours of tomorrow. So for tomorrow, going to be looking at mostly cloudy skies with scattered showers and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm mainly in the morning with a high near 61 degrees. Very tricky high tomorrow, as it's really going to depend on the wind direction and if we get any sunshine. For Saturday night, going to be looking at mostly cloudy to overcast skies with some patchy low clouds and a very mild low of 53 degrees. And then Sunday is going to be very warm across the region as we're going to be in the warm sector of this low that's going to be moving across the northeast, seeing those warm southwesterly winds. It is going to be a high of around 78 at Wallops, and it's very likely we'll see temperatures in the low 80s across more interior, warmer portions of the Delmarva. Still going to be seeing partly to perhaps mostly cloudy skies. And as we go into the afternoon, we're going to cool front passing the area. It's going to be a very slight chance of an afternoon shower and a very slight chance of a thunderstorm, though, as it doesn't look like there's going to be too much forcing associated with it, as the front will be falling apart. So only running around 28% chance of any shower or thunderstorm activity for Sunday afternoon. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. Have a great day.